some new approaches that we're taking with it here at the university in the Religious Studies department. Typically, archaeology is visualized by top plans, and these are very difficult to understand unless you have training. It's hard to tell which goes up, what goes down, where these features are going, how tall they are. So what we're doing is taking these top plans and we're recreating them in 3D in virtual reality with a program called Presagius Creator, where we end up with images like this, where you can see the actual depth. You can, in the actual program, you can spin it around, move it, you can take pictures into isolation and look at just whatever wall you want and learn from it this way. It makes archaeology come to life. It's a lot easier to understand. This technology's been around for probably 10 or so years. It's starting to become the standard to represent archaeological data, but what it doesn't do is you don't get a great idea of the context that objects are found in. So what we're doing is we're creating a database with ours that I like to call matryoshka models. It's a model within a model within a model, like a nesting doll. So we take images like this, and then we can take these objects, recreate them in 3 dimensions, and then place them in their proper context in their square. So then you can go to a specific locus number, look at exactly what objects were found in there, all with a coinciding database with all the relevant information about it. So this way, you don't have to look through gigantic archaeological reports anymore that are huge and impossible to understand. And a great thing about this database that we have is it can also support different reconstructions. So you can take squares like this, put them into isolation, and then create a reconstruction of it. And you can put multiple reconstructions next to each other and have debates on what should be there. So this square has some pillar bases, the round circles in the front, and a line of boulders. And for anyone that knows archaeology, if there's 3 stones in a row, that means it's a wall. So we have some wall of boulders here and pillar bases, so it's probably some type of public building. We're unsure, and so you can take it and make a reconstruction based on the width of the wall to get the height, and then have debates about what this actually should be. And then this is all going to be open source on the internet, and you'll be able to download it and come up with your own conclusions.